Hey everyone, what's up? It's Mudasir here, and today I am going to show you bowl.com data scraper to scrape the products data from bowl.com. In this video, you will see how I have extracted this data of products by using this tool. So this is the tool that I have developed. I am a full stack developer and I also provide my web automation and data scraping services here. Feel free to contact me if you have any custom projects. Now I am going to explain all of its features and how to use this tool to scrape the products data by using category or the supplier links. To run this tool, I'll send this zip folder to you. You will have to first extract it, and after that you will just have to run this exe file. Well, today I have selected a supplier page that we will be scraping in this video. Just simple copy its link and paste here, and you can also use its products listing link, this one. We can also use this link in this tool, but I am using this one. And once you put your link, then you can specify number of pages. You can also specify the starting page and total number of pages to be scraped. If you click it all, it will then scrape all the pages. But in my case, I am going to scrape 10 pages. And once you specified your pages, before starting, go in the options to choose your desired data columns that you want to scrape. And as this website has blocking issue on my side, that's why I will be using VPN. And just click start button. Okay, it is showing message to set up the VPN first and then it will start the scraping. Okay, this is the VPN. Hola VPN is integrated with this browser. Okay, and once the VPN is enabled, just click it OK, and then the bot will scrape. Okay, it has opened the supplier link and it automatically opened its products listing link, and it is scraping the products data. And you can count the number of rows by right clicking at any column name and click show footer, and on the footer you can count here. Okay, and this bot is also able to download the images of each product. Let me show you how. It downloads the images in this folder with the name of EAN number, so that they can be found easily by using EAN after scraping. Okay, but right now I don't need this feature, and this is email notification system. All you need is to type your email here, and once you type, choose your desired time interval on which you want to be notified. In my case, I am choosing this one, and this option is to save data in the database. SQLite database system is integrated with this tool. Let me show you. This is the SQL, and here data is saving here as well. Okay, this option will delete all the scrap data from the database, and as we specified 10 pages to be scrapped, there may be around 24 products on each page. It means 240 products will be scrapped. And to save our time, I am going to make the video 2x faster, and after that we will see the results, and I will show you how to export this scrap data into Excel file. Okay, the scraping process is near to be completed. Okay, it is now exporting the data and it is showing message that all data have been scraped and exported successfully. Now I show you where it has exported the data. It exports data in this folder named with the current date and time. Okay, this is the scrap data. And now I show you how to export this data manually. Click export button and specify your location like my desktop and type your file name here and choose your desired output format. I am choosing this one, and this option will open the file after exporting. Okay, it has opened the file. So this is our file. We can further edit this file. Let me show you how. Okay, our file is ready for use. And we had also enabled email notification system. Now I show you how it notifies. Okay, we have received an email and it is showing that it has scrapped total 240 products and it is showing application name. Okay, so this is our tool, and if you want to get this tool or have any questions, feel free to contact me. The contact details are provided in the description. That's all. Thanks for your time watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel to stay updated with our new upcoming tools and their updates. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.